How to fix Facebook login problem. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'll be showing you how you can fix Facebook login problem on your device. So if you're having problem while logging into your account, there can be various ways to solve that. So first, what you can do is you can clear the storage cache. In order to do that, long press on the Facebook application. After you do that, go to app info. Now over here, go to storage users, and after you do that, over here you can tap on clear cache. Since I have already done it, I cannot do it right now. So after you do that, simply you can check by logging into your account, and if it still does not work, then what you can do is you can update the application from your Play Store or App Store. If it needs to be updated, you can simply go to Play Store and search for Facebook and update it if it is necessary. Now even after doing that it does not work, so if it does not work even after doing that, there might be some server issues going on at Facebook. So if that's the case, all you can do is wait for some time until the issues are fixed and the server is back to normal. So this is how you can fix login problem on your Facebook. Thank you.